Hi everyone, I'm Devjani Nath. Welcome back to my channel Craft Addict. In this episode, we are going to learn how to crochet a simple double crochet beanie for ages teens to small adults. This tutorial is the part of the series I am making. I have used the same bulky yarn and same size hook, that is 6mm, for the whole series of videos. And the first four rounds will be exactly the same as we have done for our smaller sizes. And now I am going to show you how to make these first four rounds. So let's start. For this project I am using this bulky yarn, this one, and the same 6mm crochet hook, and we will now start with a magic ring in this way. This is our magic ring. If you have any difficulty in making this magic ring, please check out my previous videos. Now we will make chain 2, 1 and 2. This chain 2 will be counted as 1 double crochet. Now make 11 more double crochet in this magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the notification early. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Now pull the yarn, and we have now here 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we will join them by slip stitch at our first double crochet in this way. Now this is our first round, and now we will make chain 2, and now we will move on to the next row by making chain 2. And now this second round we will make one more double crochet in the same stitch here. That is, we have made 2 double crochet in one stitch. Then again make 2 double crochet into the next chain. Again 2 double crochet into next chain. This is our second round, and in the second round we will make 2 double crochet in each chain, so that at the end of the round 2 we will have 24 double crochet stitch. So go on making 2 double crochet in the each of the stitches, and we will meet at the end of the round, and the end of the round 2 we will have 24 double crochet stitch. We have come to the end of the round 2, and this is our last stitch. Make 2 double crochet into this last stitch, and at the end of the round 2 we will have 24 double crochet stitches. Now slip stitch at the top of the chain. This is our second round, and now by making chain 2 we will move on to the next row. Now we will start our third row, and this chain 2 will be counted as 1 double crochet. And now we will make 2 double crochet into the next chain, 1 and 2. Now into the next chain we will make 1 double crochet, and into the next chain we will make 2 double crochet. So in this round the pattern will be like this. Again 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet. So we are making in this way. Here 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. So here in the third round we will make this pattern like this: 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. At the end of the round we will have 36 double crochet stitch, and go on making, complete this round, and we will meet at the end of this round. We have come to the end of the round 3, and at the end of the round 3 we should have 36 double crochet stitch. And now we will slip stitch and we will complete this round. Again make chain 2, and we will move on to the next round, that is fourth round. And the fourth round what we will do, this chain 2 will be counted as 1 double crochet, and we will make another double crochet into the next chain. 1 double crochet in the first chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, and now into the next chain we will make 2 double crochet. So in the fourth round we will make 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. In this way 1 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. So in this round the pattern will be like this: 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So in this way go on making this round, complete your round. At the end of this round we will have 48 double crochet stitch, and go on making, and we will meet at the end of this round. Now we have come to the end of the row 4. 1 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet, and then this is the last stitch. We will make 2 double crochet. So at the end of the fourth round we will have 48 double crochet stitch. Now we will join the round by slip stitch. And so this is, we have completed our fourth round, and now we will move on to the next round, that is fifth round. And this fifth round is not the unique. we will increase as usual, that is 1 double crochet. This chain 2 will be count as 1 double crochet. Then into the next chain we will make 1 double crochet. Again into the next chain we will make another double crochet. That is, we have made 3 double crochet in the 3 stitches. 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then another double crochet, then another double crochet, and into the next chain we will make 2 double crochet. In this way, this round will be like this. I am showing you again. 1 double crochet into the next chain, then 1 double crochet into the next chain, then 1 double crochet. That is, we are making 3 double crochet in the 3 stitches, each of the 3 stitches. We are making 3 double crochet in each of the 3 stitches. Then into the next stitch we will make 2 double crochet, 1 increase. Again 1 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet, then again 1 double crochet. We have made 3 double crochet in the 3 stitches. Then into the next stitch we will make 2 double crochet. So this is the pattern of our 5th round. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, 1 1 1, then 2. So at the end of the round we will have 60 double crochet stitches, and go on repeating this pattern, and we will meet at the end of this round. Now we have come to the end of the round 5. This is our last stitch. We will make 2 double crochet in this stitch and join them by slip stitch, and so at the end of the round 5 we should have 60 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 2 and we will move on to the next round, that is round 6. In this round we will make 1 double crochet in each stitch, only 1 double crochet in each stitch. There will be no more increase from this round, and from this round we will increase our rounds to increase the length of the beanie. So there will be no increase from this round, only make 1 double crochet in each stitch. In this way, go on making 1 double crochet in each stitch, and at this end we will join them by slip stitch. So from this round we will increase our length of the beanie, and I am showing you what will be the length of the beanie. We have finished our 5th round, and this is we have started our 6th round, and from the 6th round we will make 1 double crochet in each stitch, and while come to this end join them by slip stitch. Again make another round. So go on. Now I am showing you what will be the length of this beanie. It will be in between 9 to 10 inches, and go on repeating your rows until you reach your required length, and I am going to finish my length, and after that I am coming back. Now we have come to the end of the last row. This is the last stitch. We are doing 1 double crochet in each stitch, and now we will join by slip stitch at the top of the chain 2 and pull off your yarn. Now we have finished our beanie. The first 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, we have increased our stitches, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Then I have done 14 more rows, and in these rows we have done only one double crochet in each stitch. There was no more increase of the stitches, only one double crochet. In this way we increases the length, and so this is your finished size. And now I'm going to show you the length of the beanie. It is 9.5 inches, you can see it, and the circumference of the hat is 9.5, nearly 10. So the circumference is 20 inches, and it will fit up to 22 inches. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to make the beanie for adult size, that is for both men and women.